Hi everyone, myself Dhanush. I am pursuing my first year engineering in computer science and cybersecurity in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today's subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. So let's see about the topic called Criteria for Selection of Landfill and Urban Flood Control. So the first topic is Criteria for Selection of Landfill. So landfill location is chosen based on proximity to urban areas, minimizing transportation costs and environmental impacts. The landfill site should have enough space to accommodate waste volume for a reasonable period of time. It should be located away from sensitive areas such as wetlands, water bodies, and residential neighborhoods. The site should have suitable soil conditions for waste contaminant, preventing leakage into groundwater. Adequate buffer zones should be maintained to minimize odor and visual impacts on the nearby communities. The site should have good access to transportation routes for waste collection, vehicles, and land machinery. The landfill should be located away from areas prone to natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, and landslides. The site should consider further expansion needs and have enough land available for potential growth. Adequate monitoring and control measures should be implemented to prevent the pollution and protect the environment in the city. So, urban flood control also refers to the management of excessive rainwater and stormwater within the urban areas. So, proper urban planning and design should include measures to reduce surface runoff and increase infiltration. The implementing green infrastructure such as rain gardens and permeable pavements helps in absorption and storage of excess water. Developing and maintaining a well-maintained drainage system is crucial for the efficient water flow and flood prevention. So constructing flood retention basins and detention ponds can temporarily store excess water during heavy rainfall events. The implementation of floodplain zoning regulations and land use management helps prevent construction in flood-prone areas. So let's see some measures to control the flood. Regular maintenance of stormwater drains, culverts, and gullies are essential to prevent blockages and ensure proper water flow. Installing flood warning systems and early warning systems can alert residents and the authorities about the potential flood events. Public awareness and education campaigns increase community resilience and preparedness in dealing with the urban flood. So let's see about the implementation of measures for the flood control. Implementing measures to reduce impervious surface such as green roofs and rainwater harvesting systems helps decrease stormwater runoff. Proper waste management and control of illegal dumping prevent blockages in drainage system and reduce flood risk. Collaborative efforts between government agencies, urban planners, and communities are crucial for effective urban flood control. The use of flood-resistant building materials and designs can minimize damage caused by floods. Developing floodplain maps and flood risk assessments help identify high-risk areas and prioritize flood mitigation measures. Integrated water resource management approaches consider the entire water cycle and helps to improve the urban flood control. Constructing and maintaining river embankments and flood control channels help regulate water flow during heavy rainfall. Urban green spaces such as parks and urban forests, act as natural buffers, absorbing excess water and reducing flood risks. Implementing stormwater management regulations and enforcing proper land development practices are very essential for the urban flood control. So let's see about the climate changes. Investing in climate change adaptation strategies such as resilient infrastructure and flood-proofing measures helps mitigate the impacts of changing weather patterns. The integration of nature-based solutions such as wetland restoration and riverbank stabilization enhances urban flood control. Continuous research and innovation in urban flood control techniques contribute to the development of more effective and sustainable solutions. Urban flood control should be considered as a part of comprehensive approach to urban planning and development. Adequate funding and resources allocation are necessary to implement and maintain effective urban flood control measures. Regular review and update of flood control policies and regulations ensure adaptability to changing urban environments.